This last section should be pretty simple. So what's happening is you have two linear inequalities that you have to graph together, and your solution is going to be where they overlap. So you start, of course graph paper would be better than just plain paper. You start by graphing one of the equations. So I'm going to do the top one here in pink, and so I cross at 1. My y-intercept is 1. My slope is 1/2, so I go up 1 over 2, up 1 over 2, up 1 over 2, and then I go in the other direction, down 1 to the left 2. Down 1 to the left 2. Okay, and then I'm going to graph that. Now it says that it's greater than or equal to, so I'm going to do a solid line. Of course, if I had graph paper, it'd look better. And then it said it's greater than, so it's going to be shaded above. Now I'm not going to do too much shading because really I want the answer to be where it overlaps, not where they are all over the place. Okay, so now I'm going to graph the bottom one, so I cross at 3. And my slope is down 2 over 1. So I go down 2 over 1, down 2 over 1. Keep on going. Can go in the other direction. Okay, now this is going to be a dotted line because it's just less than. And it says it's less than, so I'd be shading it below. And so now your answer is, where do they overlap? So if I look at them, this pink one goes up here, the blue one goes down here. They overlap in this area right here. So that's where I'm going to shade. So let's give it a different color. Let's go with green. So I'm going to shade in this region here and only this region here. Okay, and it goes out as far as the lines go, because these lines keep going. Okay, and I keep on shading. Now the whole point of this is your solution, or any answer, anything that works in both of them, is going to be somewhere in the shaded region. You can pick anything in here. You just can't pick anything out in the non-shaded region. So even though this point right here is in the blue shaded region, it's not also in the pink shaded region, so it's not going to be a solution. It has to be only in the green part where they overlap.